Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. Today you get to see how I worked on this client's fence and driveway. They had a lot of rust built up, especially on their water system too. But it was a lot of fun to get to see the change and how great it looks before and after. In this part, you guys will see that I go back and forth several times, and that's only because I wanted to make sure that, one, the chemical had enough time to work so I could see where I need to spray, and two, so I can get right in the nooks and crannies, so when the client saw the fence, they would see that it was done properly and all the spots were good. So I was really excited to get to show you guys this part, and you'll get to see the corner that I got to work on. However, the remainder of the fence, you're just going to get a before and after, because after I sprayed it, I realized that it didn't record anything. So go ahead and enjoy this corner and enjoy the before and after. So as you can see, the rust not only got the fence, but their water system. Several of their containers had pretty bad rust, and I wanted to make sure that not just their fence was clean, but that their containers look nice, because especially if they had people back there, you know, you don't want to see the orange on their containers. And it turned out really nice. All right, so here you see I start using the chemical on the pathway just to get rid of the rust. Now I will pressure wash this twice to make sure that I not only get rid of the rust but the dirt. I like to make sure that especially the walkway to the house has no rust, because it will be pretty evident as people make their way through. Alright, and here's the best part. You get to see how I pressure wash not only back and forth but up and down to make sure that it is thoroughly cleaned. So enjoy. As you can see, there is rust where the sprinklers would hit over on the left. I will make sure to get that too. I did get some of the rust that was also starting to be noticeable on the right of the driveway. So now that I've pressure washed, I'm going to go over it again with the nozzle just to get rid of any extra debris, chemicals, and to see where I need to spray one more time to get rid of the rust. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are in Central Florida and interested in pressure washing services, call me at 407-792-6956. Thank you.